Okay, everyone, this is Dr. Pete, and I've been going over the last, obviously, year or more about the use of artificial intelligence in papers and academic work. So, two things I'll note: one about AI, and then two more about the ideas of using AI in our papers, along with the three things I always talk about. So, the first part is AI is more of a marketing ploy. It's not really thinking about it. It's not really this great supercomputer. It's basically what Google's been doing, things like that, where it takes all the work and it brings it together, searches the internet. Some of the programs show you searching the internet, some of them don't. And all it's doing is bringing it together. You can lead it down a path, say, please show me how great this person is, or you can say, please show me how bad this person is. You can even try to say, show me a true assessment of this person or topic or idea, right? But it's all it's doing is just pulling data and compressing it in just like it's done in the past, okay? So that's the first thing I want to note. But we all use the term AI because that's the new thing, okay? But it's not like Skynet with Terminator, okay? So let's make that clear. Maybe we get there, but it's not here now, okay? So the other part is I think people can use AI. Like, I don't understand the topic. Could you give, whatever program, OpenAI or whatever, could you help me understand more about this topic and give me an outline of the highlights or the pros and cons? I think that's where it's valuable. Hey, I noticed you used a statistic. Could you please show me the documentation and put it in proper APA or in documentation format, whichever one you use? And that's valuable. Okay, I think that's very valuable, but you should check that though. Sometimes AI makes up stuff. Like, it literally will write a paper and make up the sources that go with it. I mean, straight up make them up. Okay, and so you have to check that stuff. But I think that's where it's valuable. Okay. The other part is there's really three levels of using programs for your paper or assignment. The first one is just straight up cheating, right? AI. Just you say, AI, I want a 2-page paper on the following topic, and put it in proper APA, put fake sources or real sources, whatever, right? That's just flat out cheating, okay? And that should be avoided for obvious reasons. It's your education. You should make the most of it. The second part is using an AI assisted program. Sometimes Grammarly does this, where it rewrites your paper to the point where it might have well just written the paper, or it's so different that it may lose the meaning, the intent, your concepts, ideas, but it makes it look just like AI did it. And that's not the same concept of cheating, but it makes it look like cheating, and it makes it look like you didn't do your work. Like, it makes it look like, well, I did something, and then it was just edited out. The third part is using like a gram check, right? Check for misspelled words, verb tenses, some grammar issues. That's normal. I think that's normal, and that's something that has been used for decades. I know I use it. Did I misspell a word? Those, or did I use the right word? Right? Those are things that is a good option for everyone. The other ones, I would avoid those. Okay. I know writing can be hard. I'm not a natural writer, but I also know that if I work on it hard enough, I can get better and better and better. Okay, so I wanted to do this review so it's a little bit more clarity on some of this stuff, especially for students who are newer or students that are maybe older but coming into this whole AI world. Um, the joke is I can use the AI programs to find out which AI programs did it. And people say, oh, that's not possible. No, it can actually do it. And so what I'm saying is just be aware of it. Try to avoid the cheating part of it, right? It's just the same as plagiarism in my mind. It's probably worse. At least plagiarism, someone actually did the work, you just stole it. AI is a collective consciousness, if you will, of all these sources. You had a program do the work, and it's just like paying someone to do your paper. It's even worse because it's deceptive, right? It's not as clear cut. So that's where we're at. If you have any other thing, drop me a line, and again, best of luck.